So, the best feeling in the world, whenever you're taking out old bolts on a VGT actuator and it gets stuck in play. Best feeling in the world, especially when there's a stud still sticking out and you try to grip it with vice grips and heat it up and it breaks down to this point and you're like, shit, fuck, I hate my life. Then that's when you call Batman to the rescue, and now we're about to drill those bolts out and tap new threads. Gotta love it. I guess this is why I get paid the big bucks. Oh shit. See, this is odd. It's alright, you know. I'll uncover a little bit. Hold on a second. I gotta go look at another truck to be continued.